Howdy. This is not a Sun Machine video, despite there is like activity all the time going on there. But I just noticed something which I think is rather interesting. This is the first frame. That's from yesterday. We have, of course, activity here. Like always. But this time it's not the focus. We have to go a few frames forward. I think it's the fourth frame. Yeah. Maybe you have to just watch the whole thing first. And probably you'll see it. You have seen it already, I guess. This is the big CME which erupted yesterday. Doesn't seem to be aimed at Earth straight. Let's have just a look quickly at this spot here, where we have all the time activity. Yeah, there was actually one frame where we had some pixelation going on. Yeah, maybe we have to take a screenshot as well from this. But now, let's go back to the beginning, reverse, rewind to the first, and then we have to go to the fourth frame, I think. Because in the third frame, which we are watching now, there's nothing too special. But if we go to the next frame, and I want to point out also the time. As far as I know, there should every 12 minutes should be taken a picture. There are at least 2 frames missing. There is this thing here, which has a rather interesting shape, and it seems to be very bright. And the thing is, it is also visible here. And I have no idea what this could be. There is something, obviously. And in the next frame, we just only have the shadows or something left of these, whatever things they are. And in a way, they are pointing towards the sun. Of course, you can disagree. And here we have the CME, I think, starting to erupt. And they are not at the same place. Now we are going backwards. Now we are going forward again. They suddenly appear and suddenly disappear. Somehow there could be something left, so to say, from this, what we just saw, but it could be also not so. I'm not claiming to know what we are looking at exactly, except that we have the CME now erupting here. And you can see there's this pixelation thing here, and there's another one here, and they are always there for whatever reason. For whatever reason. Yeah, maybe Scott will make a video about this. There's again action going on here. And there is in one point, there's a pixel emerging here, and somehow it seems to continue. Like here, you can... No, it's not that well visible. So let's continue. Now that's that's a pretty strong CME, I think. But I'm at the moment watching this region because I'm waiting for this other thing to emerge. Now we have somehow one of these connections which go out here. If it's a connection, now what else could it be? On the other hand, and remember, this white circle here in the middle is the sun. And this is the occulter, which is in the camera. Let's draw a camera. That's the sun. And within the camera there is a disk, which is a little bit bigger than the sun, so we can see what's going on around it. So whatever this is, it's not directly at the sun's surface, so to say. Now let's just search this one thing I wanted to show, or I actually wanted to see it by myself. I think here it starts. There's something going on here. Whatever it might be. Pixel, pixel. So why is there a pixel? The CME is that well visible. There are some perpendicular features to that, which is also very interesting. Let's go still one further. 1920, that's the second last we have. No. So where was it then, what I thought I saw? Yeah, maybe it was this one. This looks very interesting. Sun Machine spot never disappoints. And if we go to the fourth frame, we have this, whatever it is. Very interesting. Very interesting. But I think I'll leave it here. Just a quick watch at the sun, since it seems to be rather active at the moment. There's always Earth, quake activity and such. But anyway, thanks. Bye.